Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove search profiles on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Open the Instagram app and go to the Explore page. Tap the search bar at the top. You'll see some previous searches. Even if you delete this, Instagram might still suggest the same accounts. Clear the search history. Tap the See All option, then select Clear All and confirm by tapping Clear All again. This will remove the search history, but Instagram may still show the same accounts. Restart the Instagram app. Go back to the Explore tab and tap the search bar. If you type a letter, you might still see the previous accounts. To remove a suggestion, visit the profile of the suggested account. Tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and select Block. Confirm by tapping Block again. Return to the Search tab and type the same letter again. Now you shouldn't see the block account in the suggestions. Until Instagram offers a built-in way to clear search suggestions, this is the best solution. That is everything you need to know about how to remove search profiles on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.